Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you happen to just be browsing and you ran to my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. Happy holiday. Okay, let's just jump right into what I'm doing. I will be making beer bread. Just simple and easy. 1, 2, 3. So here are my ingredients for today. Self-raised flour, sugar, beer, and butter. That's it. So we can actually just jump right in. Sieve your flour. This is 3 cups of self-raised flour, and I'm gonna go in with a 1/4 cup of sugar, with a 12-ounce can or bottle of beer. And with a 1/2 cup of butter, melted butter. Just cut and fold it in, guys. My loaf can grease. The oven set at 375. And I'm going to put this in for an hour. Hi guys, I'm here to present my beer bread. This is so soft, guys, and so yummy. Delicious. Delicious. So we're at the end of another segment. As you know, I feed the mind, body, heart, and soul. Now it's time to feed the soul. Today's scripture is coming from Proverbs 8:35. For whoso findeth me, findeth life, and shall obtain favor of the Lord. And from Fergie'S Kitchen to you guys today, your passion is waiting for your courage to catch up. Please remember, Fergie loves you. This bread is delicious. Happy holiday, guys. Bye-bye.